Namaskar. Today we are going to present you a beautiful Abhang by Sant Tukaram. The Abhang goes like this.
वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे पक्षिः सुस्वरे आळवीति वृक्षवल्ली
वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे पक्षिः सुस्वरे आळविति. Tukaram, while on his journey to Pandharpur, happens to pass through the jungle. He says that the beautiful big trees of the jungle are so near and dear to us. So are the animals living there, be they small or big. The sweet, melodious sounds of the birds fill the place with a salubrious atmosphere. He visualizes the darshan of his beloved Lord Vithala in his meditation, and Tukaram's bliss finds no bounds.
येने सुखे रुचे एकांताच वास नाही गुणदोष अंगायेत वृक्षवल्ली.
He likes and enjoys the loneliness in the jungle so much that he forgets his own self, his body, and gets immersed in the bhakti for his Lord Pandurang. He finds himself unaffected by the troubles of life.
आकाश मंडप पृथ्वी आसन आकाश मंडप पृथ्वी आसन रमेथे मन क्रीडा करी कंथा कुमंडलु देह उपचारा कंथा कुमंडलु देह उपचारा जाणोवितो वारा अवसरु वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोयरी वनचरे.
Tukaram Maharaj says that for Haribhaktas, Akash, that is the infinite sky, is like the roof, and Prithvi, that is the entire universe, is their home. With the chanting of Harinama, his mind becomes joyful. He says that the cloth or the simple robe that he adorns, and the kumandalu, that is a kettle-like vessel filled with holy water, which the sadhus carry, are sufficient for his livelihood. The air essential for breathing is enough for him to be alive and hail the praise of his beloved Lord Pandurang by singing the Abhangs or Kirtanas.
हरि कथा भोजन परवड़ी विस्तार हरि कथा भोजन परवड़ी विस्तार हरि कथा भोजन परवड़ी विस्तार करोमि प्रकार सेवो रुचि करोमि प्रकार सेवो रुचि करोमि प्रकार सेवो रुचि तुका म्हणे होय मनाची संवाद तुका म्हणे होय मनासी संवाद आपुलाची वाद अपर्णासी वृक्षवल्ली.
Harikatha, that is singing of the greatness of the God, or chanting his nama, is the bhojan or food for survival. This way, he says, he spreads the Haribhakti among the people. Tuka says he argues and debates within himself and finally discovers that the Paramatma is in his inner self. Jai Ram Krishna Hari.
आ